Hey guys, it's March 16th. This is the first video of our shoot, and I hope you guys are ready because things are gonna get radical. Come right back because we're gonna be throwing down on my creamy coconut cauliflower risotto. Woo! Keep it paleo. Hey guys, we're gonna get right into this because Jesse and I are starving. Food usually turns out best when you got a little hunger behind the preparation, so watch this. We got 1 onion. We're gonna do a small dice on that. We've got a hot cast iron skillet here, little olive oil in there, and our onion. On the other side of the skillet, I'm just gonna take 1 little nub of ginger, peel this quickly. Use a spoon to peel your ginger, guys. Just turn it around. It works pretty slick. You can use your knife too, but you typically will cut away more than you need to when you're using your knife. And then ginger's pretty fibrous, so using like a vegetable peeler isn't ideal. Okay guys, we're gonna cut this one a little bit smaller than our onion. All right, make sure we got enough oil on this side of the pan. Our ginger goes in there. And then I'm gonna give a little pinch of salt to the onions. Oh, looking good. All right, now next up are mushrooms. Just slice these guys. Got about a ½ pound of mushrooms here. All right, and then right down the middle, mushrooms. Little pinch of salt there, and then I'm gonna throw the lid on, and we'll let that cook while we prep out our cauliflower. All right guys, for the cauli, we've got 2 heads. I've taken them from here, pulled the bottom leaves off, broke them down to this stuff, which will run through the food processor easily. I'm gonna turn this guy on, just load this up. I like to use the shredding blade, and then I just, boom, just like that. Fill it up again. There we go guys, it gets a little packed, but I can always fit 2 heads of cauliflower into 1 bowl of the food processor. We'll check back in over here. Boom! You need to be able to hear your food, you guys. There's no question something's cooking over here. Now I'm gonna fold the onions, mushrooms, and ginger together. It's looking good just like that. We don't even need the cauliflower. Another little pinch of salt, and then we'll go in our cauli. And this just reminds me of risotto in general. My wife and I love it. Traditional arborio rice with ginger, little white wine, some chicken stock, and maybe finished with some grass-fed butter. Woo! But this is just a little bit healthier, lower glycemic, I guess you'd say, option. And it's gonna taste just as good. All right, 1 more pinch of salt. The lid back on. There's plenty of moisture in there where this won't burn. And we'll just let that cook till the cauliflower releases a little water, and then we get the steam effect. All right, let's take a look here, guys. There you go. You can smell the cauli now. We don't want to overcook it. We're looking for al dente. Just like that, it's good, but it's going to get even better with some coconut. Coconut milk. Let's just say if you added a 15-ounce can of light coconut milk, that'd be just about right. And to mimic that, a little bit of water. Because all light coconut milk is just coconut milk with more water added to it. Did you guys know that? Boom. Okay, and then at this point, I'm gonna turn down the heat, and then I'm gonna hack through some cilantro. See maybe a couple of those. Boom, 1 more pass through. Actually 2 more, 1 there, and then back through. Got it, get that. And gives a little color, a little freshness. And in my book, no dish is complete, no meal, even dessert, without some fresh cilantro. You know what I'm saying? And heat off, boom, we're done. Time to plate. That's pretty much it, you guys. Comes together so quickly. Simply, I'm gonna throw a little cilantro sprig on each one, just to make sure. that we have enough cilantro in there. And that's it, you guys. That's the creamy coconut and cauliflower risotto. It's awesome, but it's looking a little lonely. So come back on Friday and I'll teach you my sesame crusted salmon with tomato sambal. In the meantime, you guys get in the kitchen, get cooking, and at every eating opportunity, do your best to keep it paleo.